first thing you have to do is take out the 6 screws on the back of the control panel. 2 of them down here, and 4 of them up top. Then you can lift the back of this control panel off. It's plastic. Just pull it up and out. Now that you can get in there and access this pressure sensor that is the controller for the level of water, and there's an adjustment screw within there that I'll show you in a second. By the way, don't forget to unplug it from the wall, since you'll be monkeying around with electronic stuff here. You don't want to screw up anything going into the computer. There are a couple more screws that I advise you to take out, so that this control panel can lean forward. You have better access to the internals. Now everything's a lot more accessible, including this pressure sensor. Now take a little screwdriver and pry this blue cap off of this pressure sensor module by accessing these little holes on the back side, or on the bottom side, or on the top side of the motor. You might need 2 little screwdrivers to kind of wedge in there and pry this thing off. This is how it looks when you get it off. And this is what's inside. And that's the screw that you want to access that has the red paint on it. Basically, what I'd recommend, like somebody else did, turn it 1 revolution clockwise. 1 revolution clockwise to improve the water filling into the tub. So that's what I just did. Now it's just a matter of putting everything back together. This goes back in there. This gets plugged back into here. I didn't show you how that goes back into there. And then sits back into that. The whole assembly sits back in there. And put everything back together. Goes back into here. This front part is hinged. I'm going to put those tabs back in the hole there. And then this will fold down and reattach these 2 bolts at the bottom. And you can put the back of this plastic thing back around here. Kind of snaps back into place. You've got the 4 bolts on top, screws, 4 screws on top, and 2 on the bottom.